Hey everyone, it's Davida with WTI. If you're ready to get yourself a little bit more organized, especially in the kitchen, then I recommend getting this 8-pack. These are the magnetic dry erase markers. I love that they come with a fine tip, which allows me to write as if I was writing with a pen. The magnet is really small, but it sticks really well to the fridge, which I appreciate, so you can actually move these markers around. I like keeping them all together, and I do like that they come in a variety of colors. If you like to color code things, like I do, then you would probably really appreciate this especially. I use these mostly for meal prepping, writing out what our meals are gonna be every day of the week. Also for writing my grocery list, it's super, super helpful. They have a nice little eraser on the top, which I find erases really well. And these markers honestly just get the job done for me. So I am super happy with them. I feel more organized. I like the variety of colors that are provided for me, and I cannot recommend them enough. And that is my point of view.